Hi! Have you heard of Catrobat? Let me show you. There are a lot of programming languages out there, but most of them are based on writing real code. Catrobat is a visual-based programming language. This makes learning simpler for children, teens and beginners. Catrobat was founded in 2010 by Wolfgang Slany, the head of the Catrobat team at Graz University of Technology. Now it's a big community of more than 1,300 contributors, is available in more than 60 languages, has in total 5 million users and is present in more than 180 countries. The big advantage is that you don't need a PC like most programming languages do, just use your smartphone. Catrobat offers different apps such as Pocket Code, Pocket Paint, Luna and Cat, Embroidery Designer, Create at School and Fyro. But what can you do with these apps? They allow you to create applications, animations and games. You can stitch own designs on your t-shirt or control a Lego robot. There is a lot to explore. Catrobat won a lot of awards and is recognized by Der Standard, The Guardian, BBC, Samsung, Huawei and Google. It partners up with University of Waterloo in Canada, University of Tokyo, Berkeley University of California, Higher Pedagogical Institute Zurich, Stanford University and many others. Want to join? Join us now!